Read and say. Hello, may I introduce myself? I'm Shima.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Where are you going, Jessica?
I'm going to Chittagong. I'm on holiday with my father.
Really? Where are you from?
I'm from United Kingdom. Are you from Dhaka?
No, I'm from Sylhet. That's where we are going. Our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Have a good journey. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Jessica. Have fun in Chittagong.
Thanks. Nice meeting you too, Shima.
Read and say from Activity A of your textbook. If you want to listen again, then click on the button. Bye and have fun. By train. Her parents. Amrima. To Chittagong. In Dhaka. 1. How does she introduce herself? 2. Where is she going? 3. Where does she live? 4. Who is she traveling with? 5. How is she traveling? 6. What does she say before leaving?